Hi everybody. May I ask you a very personal question? Are you an appreciating asset? A type of person who has a vision, who's ambitious, who's taking full responsibility for the health and the family, and always moving to earn financial freedom? Or have you sadly become a depreciating asset, in a comfort zone, in a job that's going nowhere? Turn the mind off for new learning, but either way I can help you take massive action. My name is John Haynes and I have the great honour of being the Managing Director of the International Coaching Academy. I'd like to invite you to become one of our executive business coaches. People around the world now are joining us on the journey to become a coach. People from Australia, Canada, Malaysia and here in the UK, and the benefits for them all is that they become self-reliant, they grow within themselves, they become better business owners, they become leaders, superior managers. We teach you how to coach and mentor other people. We give you the knowledge how to bring up loving families with high self-esteem. Once you become an executive business coach, you will have acquired knowledge that people will pay for and respect you for. We also give certificates out that will show you that you are part of the 21st century. You'll get promotion, your clients will be impressed by it, but more importantly, you yourself will be making a difference. I got told many years ago, when an educated person dies, it's like a library burning down. Now, make sure that never happens to you. With all your experience, knowledge, failures, even successes, make sure you're going to share it with somebody else and help them grow their families, make a better life for themselves. You've got it all up here, so come and join us on our executive business coaching course and make a difference in other people's lives. And I promise you this, you will enjoy it, because we teach and train with accelerated learning, which means there's fun, there's no boredom, there's music, there's visualizations, there's games. And I'll promise you this, by the end of the journey, you will be filled with high self-esteem and high self-confidence. And I'll guarantee this will go on to make you more financially stable. Why don't you check our website, which is internationalcoachingacademy.org, and have a look at our Facebook and LinkedIn. And why don't you give us a personal call, which is 0845 9000 699. Let's all of us be appreciating assets.